Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find someone's phone number on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your device and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon at the top right corner. This will take you to your profile section. Look for the option called Invite Friends and tap on it. When prompted, tap Allow and Continue to grant Cash App permission to access your phone contacts. After granting access, a list of your phone book contacts will appear. You can use this list to invite friends and possibly earn cashback offers if they're available. Next, go back to the search screen within Cash App. Here, you can type in the name or email address of the person whose phone number you're looking for. Cash App will then display search results that match the information you entered. And that's it. That's how to find someone's phone number on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.